Hey folks, this is X pronunciation. This word is pronounced in American English as oregano, 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 with the stress on the second syllable reg, oregano. And in British English, oregano, oregano, with the stress on the third syllable ga, oregano, oregano. So in American English, oregano, in British English, oregano. Oregano, oregano. Oregano is a fragrant herb, widely used in cooking, especially in Mediterranean, Italian, and Mexican cuisines. It comes from a plant in the mint family and has small green leaves. The flavor is earthy, slightly bitter, and aromatic, becoming stronger when dried. Oregano, 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 oregano. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zach's pronunciation and check out other videos in the playlist for the pronunciation of various English words.